Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 3 ways to use any softwares or apps in full screen mode in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you 3 ways how you can do it. So the first method is using the F11 key. So let me open one program window, say File Explorer. So now in order to use this respective program in full screen mode, just press the F11 key on your computer keyboard. Voila, now you can see here, just press the F11 key again to restore it. So you can see, so it's working perfectly. So this is the first method, and the second method is using the Windows Shift and Enter key. So let me open a different program, say Pen 3D. So this is a Microsoft Store apps. So on your computer keyboard, just press Win, Shift and Enter. Now you can see here, you can use this respective Microsoft Store apps in the full screen mode. So if you press again the Win, Shift and Enter key, then it will restore back to the default size. So this is the second method, and the third method is using the third-party application. So just open the Microsoft Store application, just search for Force Full Screen, and here you will see the application. Just click on it. So you can click on this free trial to install this Force Full Screen, and below you can see here the preview. So after installing, you can add the respective software or application which you want to use in the full screen mode. So this is the third method. So by using these 3 ways, you can easily use any softwares or apps in full screen mode in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.